Alright, I've had several of you ask me, how do you do hookups at an RV park? Most of you know we do boondocking already, so when you get to an RV park, since we are self-contained, we do have the black tank and the gray tanks and the fresh water for street hookup and the power. So thought I'd show you how we do it, and I'll show you under the trailer. I'll show you the tanks, how I mount them, then I'll show you how we run all of them, how it looks when it's finished. Anyway, maybe this will answer the questions for some of you that's asked. Okay, under the trailer, I had it spray foamed with closed cell. So there's 4 inches of closed cell foam under here. So that helps with the condensation and that kind of stuff, keeping the floors cool and warm. Anyway, this is, I have two 20-gallon gray tanks, and they are mounted together. So it gives me 40 gallons of gray. So I used metal brackets that I made to come off the frame, and then used all thread to go to the unistrut. And then I put rubber in between that and the tank, and then pulled it up snug against the tank and the floor. So that was how I mounted those. And then you have the black tank. Black tank was done the same way. Unistrut, all thread, and metal brackets that I made that I put to the side of the floor joist, metal floor joist, and mounted them there. And I mounted the metal brackets to the frame with what they call I think it's called a rev nut. You drill a hole and then you crush the nut in there with a tool, and then it lets you put a bolt in there to hold it in. Not sure how good you can see this under here, but anyway, that was the way I did it. So for the power, I used a 30 amp, and a 30 amp uses a regular 30 amp receiver that you can buy on any RV, and I got it off of Amazon. This is a 30 amp cord, goes over to the pedestal, hooks into a 30 amp. Water hose, pretty simple. I used food grade water hose so you don't get that terrible taste. And then I ran it into a filter. I'm about to upgrade to a different filter system, but this is how I did it for now. And then you have your fresh water you can put in through here. Then I have an outdoor shower. Of course, this is where I put my Starlink in, and I've showed you this in previous videos. You can just unhook it from here. And then the sewer just hooks up like any other sewer for an RV, and you just put it out there and hook it up. For the ones of you that use sewer and you don't use the proper screw-in type, you guys really ought to be doing that to keep from having the accidents and messing up the place. Alright, that's about it for how we do it on here. But anyway, you can order the tanks offline. You can order just about everything I've got. You can order it off of Amazon. I think the tanks, I'll try to find a link where the tanks came from. Anyway, I can't remember where they come from, like Custom Tank or RV Custom, or anyway, I'll find it and put a link in there so you guys can see where it came from, where I ordered them. I've had zero trouble out of them, and the water tank on the inside is a 30-gallon fresh water. Came from the same place. Again, I'll put a link to where I got them from. I hope this helps the ones that were asking questions about it. It was just a few of you, but I thought I'd take the time for a What's Up Wednesday to address it and let you guys see how I did it. Right or wrong, that's the way I did it. Put your comments below. Tell me if I could have done something better, or if you got pictures of how you did yours and it's better than the way I did mine, put them down there, let me see them. I don't always want to reinvent the wheel, so if somebody's got a better idea, share it with everybody. Alright, till next week, make each day count 365 and continue the journey. We'll see you a little later.